Welcome to my channel, where we uncover cybersecurity secrets and arm you with the skills to stay safe online. Let's dive in.
This content is intended for educational purposes only. Unauthorized use of these techniques is illegal. Please act responsibly. $13 million heist: how hackers exploited broken access control. In one of the most daring cyber heists of recent years, hackers siphoned $13 million from an unsuspecting financial institution by exploiting a single vulnerability: broken access control. This attack not only underscores the criticality of secure access control mechanisms but also serves as a wake-up call for organizations worldwide. The anatomy of the heist. The target, a mid-sized financial institution known for its online banking services, became the victim. The institution prided itself on convenience and accessibility but neglected robust access control mechanisms, a mistake that would cost them dearly. The vulnerability. The attackers identified a flaw in the system's role-based access control (RBAC) implementation. This vulnerability allowed them to elevate their privileges and perform unauthorized actions. Specifically, API misconfiguration: the system failed to verify user roles properly on critical endpoints. IDOR, insecure direct object reference: by altering user identifiers in API requests, attackers gained access to unauthorized accounts and transactions. The execution. 1. Reconnaissance. The attackers analyzed the institution's online portal and APIs, identifying weak access controls in the transaction management system. 2. Privilege escalation. Using a regular customer account, they exploited the RBAC flaw to escalate privileges, mimicking admin-level access. 3. Fund transfers. Once inside the system as admins, the hackers scheduled multiple high-value transfers to mule accounts across the globe. The transactions were cleverly split into smaller chunks to avoid detection. 4. Cash outs. The funds were quickly withdrawn from ATMs in different countries, coordinated by a network of on-ground operatives. Why it worked. No server-side validation: the application relied on client-side data for access decisions, which the attackers easily manipulated. Poor logging and monitoring: suspicious activities went unnoticed for hours, giving hackers enough time to complete the heist. Inadequate testing: the financial institution had not conducted rigorous penetration tests or code reviews, leaving the vulnerability undiscovered. The fallout. The $13 million loss was just the beginning. The institution faced severe reputational damage, regulatory scrutiny, and a massive exodus of customers. Additionally, legal battles with affected users added to their woes. Conclusion. The $13 million heist serves as a stark reminder of the catastrophic consequences of neglecting access control security. In the digital age, where data is the new currency, organizations cannot afford to leave their doors open to attackers. By prioritizing security, conducting regular audits, and staying informed about the latest threats, businesses can safeguard their systems and customer trust. The next time hackers come knocking, will your organization be prepared? Or will it be the next $13 million cautionary tale? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay ahead in cybersecurity. Check out more videos here to keep your knowledge sharp.